Hey there. I came across a helpful tool in Photoshop today um, that I haven't used in a while, but I opened up this picture and wanting to scale it out, I am noticing that there is a distortion in the image, and that has to do with the lens mode that was used when taking the picture. Um, so all you have to do is come up here under filter, come into lens correction, and it will automatically decide uh, what looks the best. Right here on the iPhone, it has what lens mode was listed when the photo was taken. So it's got all the information in order to correct that, and you just hit OK, and boom, there you go. Okay, that's it. Thank you.